Yesterday we have seen methods of preparation of alkyl halide or haloalkane. Now we will see chemical properties or chemical reactions of alkyl halide or haloalkane. First reaction is laboratory test. We can identify alkyl halide by various reactions. Then alkyl halide react with aqueous sodium hydroxide. Here OH negative group. Then alcohol will obtain. Haloalkanes or alkyl halide on warming with aqueous NaOH or KOH. Then it can be converted into alcohol. Here alkyl halide react with NaOH or KOH, then alcohol is obtained. For example, when methyl chloride is warm with sodium hydroxide, which is aqueous solution, then methyl alcohol is obtained. And here sodium chloride is side product. Again, when ethyl bromide react with aqueous KOH, potassium hydroxide, then it can be converted into ethyl alcohol. If we dissolve this mixture, for example methyl alcohol and sodium chloride in dilute HCl and silver nitrate, then silver chloride will obtain. For example, when silver nitrate and sodium chloride react with each other, then silver chloride is obtained and sodium nitrate is side product. This sodium chloride when react with silver nitrate and dilute HCl, then silver chloride will obtain. Also, when this potassium bromide react with silver nitrate, then silver bromide will obtain and potassium nitrate is side product. In this way, different reaction can be carried out in laboratory of alkyl halide. Now, substitution reaction. Substitution reactions are the reaction in which an atom or group of atom is substituted or replaced by another atom or group of atom are called substitution reaction. We are learning reactions of haloalkanes. So their order of reactivity is alkyl iodide is reactive than alkyl bromide, which is reactive than alkyl chloride. So this is descending order. Now hydrolysis by using aqueous alkali. When alkyl halide is boiled with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, then alcohols are obtained. Alkyl halide is boiled with sodium hydroxide, then alcohol is obtained. Which reaction is in our next chapter also. For example, when methyl iodide react with aqueous sodium hydroxide, then methyl alcohol is obtained, whose IUPAC name is methanol. Again, when ethyl bromide is boiled with aqueous sodium hydroxide, then ethyl alcohol is obtained, whose IUPAC name is ethanol. Now, in this way we can carry out different reaction. This is alkyl halide. We can take secondary, tertiary alkyl halide. So there will be primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol will obtain. Now second reaction is action of sodium alkoxide, which is also known as Williamson synthesis of ether. When alkyl halide is heated with sodium alkoxide in presence of alcohol, then ethers are obtained. This reaction is also repeated in our next chapter, alcohol and ether. So for example, when ethyl iodide react with sodium methoxide, whose formula is NaOCH3, sodium methoxide, then ethyl methyl ether will obtain, and catalyst is alcohol. When ethyl iodide is heated with sodium methoxide, then ethyl methyl ether will obtain, which is unsymmetrical ether. Here, if we take ethyl iodide, then when ethyl iodide react with sodium ethoxide, then diethyl ether will obtain, which is symmetrical ether. In this way, we can take different reactant, then different ether will obtain. Thank you. See this reaction again. Action of sodium alkoxide. Formula of sodium alkoxide is NaOR, where R is alkyl group. This reaction is also known as Williamson's synthesis of ether, which is very important reaction from examination point of view. When alkyl halide is heated with sodium alkoxide in presence of alcohol, then ether is obtained. Formula of ether is ROR dash, where oxygen is loosely bonded with alkyl group. For example, ethyl iodide C2H5I react with sodium methoxide CH3ONA, sodium methoxide, in presence of alcohol, then ethyl methyl ether is obtained, which is mixed ether, and side product will be sodium iodide. Also, when ethyl iodide react with sodium ethoxide, formula NaOC2H5, sodium ethoxide, then diethyl ether will obtain, which is simple ether or symmetrical ether, and side product will be sodium iodide. In this way, we can prepare simple ether or mixed ether by Williamson's synthesis of ether.